Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Yesterday I attended a birthday party. So today in this practice session, I'm going to take up birthday party as a topic and I'm going to describe how it was and I'm going to talk about it. So how do I start, what should be there and how you should end describing about a birthday party or any event which you have attended, a wedding ceremony, a housewarming party or a birthday party or any other engagement party or anything else. So you can just talk about in detail without any hassle or without thinking what to say next. So I'm going to give you proper structure which will help you to speak about it. Okay, whatever event you have attended, whatever celebration you have attended or celebrated. Okay, so it's a practice session. You can shadow with me, you can repeat after me, speak with me, you can imitate, whatever you like to. So you have all the choices. You can pick up one and you can start doing that. So as to start speaking in English, and these are very general, basic conversational topics. It will be very easy for you to speak on these topics and I'm giving you enough ideas to start speaking. So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Write your comments in the comment section and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected and watch my entire video to master this skill. Now let's get started. So today's topic is very interesting. We all get to attend a lot of celebrations, right? We attend festivals, birthday parties, get-togethers, weddings, engagements or housewarming party or any other, party we get to attend or an annual event of, office annual event or school annual event for our kids. So there are lots of things we attend, right? And it's very easy to speak about it. So I'm going to give you a structured way on how you can speak about it. So that is why I've taken up my example of attending a birthday party. So yesterday I attended a birthday party. So I'm going to speak about it and it will help you to understand how to describe any event. Okay, so first will be the basic details. Now what you can talk about basic details. So basic details means, when was the birthday party, whose party it was, all these things we have to talk about. So I'm going to give you the basic details of the birthday party. I was invited to my friend's daughter's birthday party yesterday. So basic details. My friend's daughter's birthday party yesterday and I was invited. Okay, so I was invited for my friend's daughter's birthday party yesterday. Okay, now coming to the other basic details. They hosted the birthday party at home. They hosted the birthday party at their house or they hosted the birthday party at the clubhouse of the society. Anything, whatever you want to. Or, they hosted the birthday party at McDonald's or any other game zone or anywhere else. You can just name that. Okay, where the birthday party was hosted. It was a small gathering of 5 to 6 families. It was a small gathering of 5 to 6 families. Okay, so these are the basic details I'm just giving out, right? When was the birthday party, whose birthday party it was, how many guests were there, where it was hosted or where it was celebrated. Okay, so these are the details I've given. These are the basic details we can start with about the birthday party. Now coming to the next part, which is how did I plan? Like what were my plans? Okay, how did I go there? What did I do? Like my plans, how did I plan for the event? Okay, that will be the next part. So because when you are going to an event, you have to plan it, whether you have to take a holiday or you have to complete your work or you can take a half day or what are you going to wear, what gift are you going to take, what time are you going to leave, everything you have to keep in mind, right? So that is why planning is very important. So how do I plan for the birthday party? I'm going to tell you. It was a very short notice. Day before yesterday, I got a call from my friend inviting us for the birthday party. She also said that we just planned it at the 11th hour. She said that we have planned it at the 11th hour and we want you to come for the party and we want you to attend the birthday party. So this is how it is. Okay, so what I said, it was a short notice. Day before yesterday, I got a call from a friend inviting us for the birthday party. She also said that we have come up with this at the 11th hour, but we are expecting you to attend the party, or we want you to attend the party. Now this is where my planning starts. Okay, so I didn't had much time. I had a short notice. So what I did, I said yes to her. And then I thought of planning how to go. So it was a weekend, so we were free. Then according to the theme of the birthday party, I decided our costumes, my daughter's costume basically. Thankfully, everything was available with me, so I didn't have to go shopping for that. So the dresses were sorted. The next day, we left an hour early so that we can buy some gift for her, for the birthday girl. So that is how I planned for the gift. So we went a little early and we went to the gift store. We bought a gift for the birthday girl and then we left for the venue. Okay, so these are the basic details, but this is how I started planning and what did I do. Okay, so this is about it. The next is, of course, I'm going to reach the venue. Now what will happen next? How is everything? I have to just describe everything what happened there and how was things. Okay, I'm going to describe next. So basically the third part will be description about the party. Everything you have to describe about it. Okay, let's start. I reached her place and the clubhouse was decorated beautifully. I really liked the decoration. There were lots of colorful balloons and the theme of the party was unicorns. There were a lot of beautiful unicorn decorations, and when I went inside to meet the birthday girl and her parents, there was a beautiful unicorn cake kept on the table, which looked wonderful. We then wished the birthday girl and gave her the present. She was very happy looking at it, and her parents were also very happy because we attended the party at a very short notice. So they were also very happy about it. In another 10 minutes, all the guests arrived and then there was cake cutting. The birthday girl cut the cake and we all sang the birthday song, and everybody was very happy. After that, we had snacks cum dinner. It was sort of snacks cum dinner. So everything was available there. It was a buffet and the food was also very good. The caterers were quite good. It was delicious. It was a veg meal, but everything was fantastic, well organized. We really had a great time there. We chatted a lot, we laughed, and we played a lot of games also. There were games for kids as well as for the parents as well. So we all got together and we all played the games, and it was real fun. And the party was really very entertaining. We had fun, we played a lot of games. We sang and danced, enjoyed the food, and then finally we came back home. So this is how I described the birthday party which I attended yesterday. Okay, you can get into more details also. What kind of games we played, what kind of song and dance was there, what kind of other activities you did. You can just describe in detail. I didn't describe that in detail, but you can just take up those and you can start describing that in detail. This is how you can start. You will be able to talk about a thing in detail. Don't leave anything behind. Whatever is coming to your mind, just speak up everything. Try to explain or describe everything, whatever you want to. This will help you in your speaking practice. This will help you to present your ideas in a better way. Whatever ideas you are getting, try to put it in words. If you're not able to, take some time, take 2 minutes and try to frame sentences about it and then speak. Or try to write your ideas. Write it down and then speak about it. Whatever it is, whatever you are convenient with, but then just try to put every single detail which is coming to your mind across. This will help you in speaking in English spontaneously on any topic, anywhere with anyone, when you are having a real conversation with people. This is just a practice session. You are just describing what you have seen or what party you have attended. You're just describing that, right? Once you describe that, you know how to describe it. It will be very convenient for you to start speaking in front of others also about things in detail, because you know how to frame sentences. You know what is coming to your mind and how to express that. This is why I have come up with a practice session wherein I take up a question, a conversational topic, and I speak on it, right? So we attend parties, we attend events. Whatever parties you have attended, just speak about it and get into details. When you're describing part 3, when you're talking about it, when you're describing things, just get into more details, right? Like I could have described what kind of games I played there. I could have said we played musical chair there, we had dumb charades or any other game, you know, I can just mention that. So, and there was a return gift also. Everybody got a return gift. All the kids got the return gift as well. So these things I can include there. So whatever comes to your mind, every single detail, try to put up. You can also say what you have eaten, what was there in the menu, what you have eaten, and etc. etc. How was its taste, etc. etc. Whatever you can describe, just try to talk about it, so that if tomorrow you have to explain something, describe something in detail, it will not be difficult for your brain to assess all the information and help you in speaking. Okay, so that is why this exercise is very important. So guys, I am sure you are going to practice it in this way and you will see a lot of difference if you start doing it for 30 days at least. Take up topics, conversational questions, and start speaking on it. At least for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. At least for 5 to 10 minutes every single day. Okay. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.